Thank you for choosing this product. Please watch until the end for safe and effective use of the product. User Manual. Take out the product carefully from the box. Remove the plastic packaging. Open base cover to take out the filter. Remove packaging and put back filter. Plug in and turn on the power. Touch to turn on or off. Touch to turn on or off the UV ionizer function. Touch to activate the sleep mode. The icon will flash for 5 seconds. All lights except the sleep mode will turn off. Touch again to deactivate the sleep mode. Choose the fan speed, low, medium or high. Touch to activate auto mode. Under the auto mode, fan speed operates according to measured air quality. Choose your desired timer, 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours. Long press for 3 seconds to enter or exit child lock mode. Air quality indicator. Red, heavily polluted. Purple, lightly polluted. Green, moderate. Blue, good. Replacing filter. Open the base cover to take out the old filter. Remove packaging. Replace new filter and tighten the base cover.